Becoming a homeowner. It's the American dream. And if you're looking, there's a chance that you'll find that perfect home. It's easy to find that dream home, but finding the right way to pay for it, that's a whole different problem. In today's online community, there's a place, a solution to find the right program for you. A place with a unique team of mortgage professionals.
My name is Angelo and I am the founder and CEO. I've been in the mortgage business for going on 15 years, and I've helped and serviced over 7,000 clients in my career. How we're different is we really focus on customer obsession.
Customer obsessed. What does that mean exactly? Well, buying a home can be quite confusing, and overlooking the slightest detail can mean getting approved for too little money or not getting the loan at all. Angelo's team begins with asking the right questions to gather the most information to paint the best picture for the lender. This empowers consumers with the confidence they'll get that dream home. All this begins with a loan officer.
Yes, my name is Joseph Humphrey.
Who sketches in the outlines of who you are.
And as a loan originator, what I essentially do, I talk with the customer initially, assess what their needs are, what their desires are, and then we literally originate a file. And that file is, of course, to lead them to getting an approval for their new home.
We can find programs that most people can qualify for. Doesn't matter what kind of credit you have or what kind of assets or income. We have many different ways of helping people.
Once you have your contract in and it goes to the loan officer, typically it is sent to me. What I'll do is I'll do an introductory call for you and just verify all the information on your application. From there, we will send out your disclosures, your loan estimates. I will start looking at your file and seeing what kind of documents that you need.
Now, when we submit a file into processing, that's the second step.
Processing. Now, Angelo's team is starting to fill in and paint that picture of you, a very important part of the life of a mortgage. Now, a processor.
Hello, my name is Angelina Hossein Ali.
Is all about the details.
And I'm a senior loan processor here at the Bank of England, Humboldt, Texas branch. The processor's job is to review the loan within 72 hours, review the loan application, the credit, income, asset documents, if you have the appraisal in the file or title work in.
The processor will also assign tasks maybe to the title company, to the appraiser, to the insurance company, to the realtor.
Everyone knows that we're on a time crunch, so I think that the more on top of it we are, the better the home loan process is for everyone.
So a processor will prepare everything for the underwriter, make sure everything's in good order, everything makes sense, the underwriter can understand your story to ensure that the proper decision is made.
Underwriting. They are the ultimate decision maker for the life of your mortgage. So it makes sense to be working with a dedicated team performing behind the scenes, getting your picture, your file, ready for the closing table.
The underwriter is the person that makes the decisions. They're the ones that perform your final income calculations, they assess risk, so they are reviewing documents for document integrity.
You will have a package of, I would say, a minimum of anywhere of 100, 150 pages on up.
And if everything's on that list that the underwriter needs, then the underwriter finalizes the loan and issues what's called a clear to close.
Now, with Angelo Christian Mortgage, you'll find an additional step that completes this picture: quality control. This is where customer obsession meets the road. With all the people involved, coordination, various documents, and attention to detail, who's in charge of all this?
There's a lot of quality control that takes place, and these different checkpoints are going to be throughout the loan process. The first checkpoint is, of course, the loan officer, which is myself.
And from there, the assistant kind of, digs in a little bit deeper, and that's what that call for me is all about. Is when I want to get to know the borrower again.
The processor is, of course, check number 3. Now, the processor makes sure that your file is ready for underwriting.
Our responsibility is to review the loan and make sure that if anything is missing, that we catch it or we request it at that time from the borrower, or whether it be an amendment from the realtor.
From the initial application all the way to the closing, we have multiple people accountable to that file to make sure that it closes on time.
I'm focused on the customer. Okay, so I'm focused on you, your needs. And I know that you'll keep me in check more than my competition down the hall. We take a lot of pride in the quality of processing of a home loan because we understand that once that loan is presented to the underwriter, your file, who you are, how it's presented, can make the difference in whether or not this decision is a yes or it's a no.
Which brings us back to you, and why you chose Angelo Christian Mortgage in the first place. You needed a loan for your dream home, so you found a team of people to help you. A team to help you make your piece of the American dream a reality. Your own home, sweet home.